traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I still think we are going up for either an expanding flat wave C, which would likely bring us all the way up here, or possibly a running flat wave C, which would make a lower high, lower high. Either way, I don't think this move is over, so we should continue primarily to be on the long side. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where I still call this a wave 1. I still think this is a big expanding flat wave 2 ending right here. That means that this is all a wave 3 from that point on. So a wave 1 of 3, WXY 2 of 3, and I think that we are in a wave 3 of wave 3, and it will, on these very high time frames, continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely got the end of this trend right here, which I think is just a subdivision of a big wave 3 on the much higher time frames. I would primarily be looking for shorts right now. I do think that this is likely only a wave A of the correction, which means that if it does go up, it's probably not going to continue the uptrend. It's probably going to make a wave B, then probably likely later on go down for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. This is definitely all lower lows, lower highs, and it actually looks extremely clear. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, and then 4, 5. So I do think we possibly could be getting close to ending a wave A. It probably is going to try to go up and break structure. If it does go up and break structure, then that's probably going to be a correction to the wave A, like a wave B, and then eventually back down again for a wave C is what I would expect to see. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last little series of lower lows, lower highs, which is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern to the downside. It could possibly be the final wave of this wave A, but we don't really know that. So if it does make some sort of a 3 wave up move up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely will take it as a sorting opportunity again. On the other hand, if it goes up and breaks structure, that will tell me that the wave A is complete, and at that point we will make a correction to the whole move down on the 4 hour time frame, which should be a wave B correction to the wave A. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.